Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. What if we could plan it out? Cabo for a week, Paris for a day, ooh-wee-wee. You can come and be my babe, you can see what a gentleman I am. What if we could plan it out? Party in the streets, like the golden days at the beach. Family buzzing in my air like a beat. Maybe you could chill. All this stuff I have up in my head, I just wanna do. Maybe if you come then you can hang, you can meet the crew. We can even chill out at the park like we did in school. Take you back to when you was a kid, everything was cool. Hope you never lose track, life's a little hard when you're not home, yeah. Yeah, I've been going and going, but still on my own, yeah. I'm a soldier, I fight for what's right, so my heart's just been fighting for you. What more can I do? I just wanna put you in a box like some... Keep you to myself, you know I don't wanna share no options. If I finally tell the truth, then I'm telling it to you. What if we could plan it out? Cabo for a week, Paris for a day, ooh-wee-wee. You can come and be my babe, you can see what a gentleman I am, yeah. What if we could plan it out? Party in the streets, like the golden days at the beach. Family buzzing in my air like a beat. Maybe you could chill. 안녕하세요. Shawty, you magnificent for real. Tell me how it feels.
I meet. Ay, only need a week with you, baby. You're so bad, I cannot speak. Shawty, where you been at? I wish I'd known you sooner, so we hit the mat like judo. But I guess it's all okay though, cause we jumping on a plane. US dollars to some pesos on my mind like I'm insane. You my babe, we can go wherever you want. I got lemon in my water and these robes that you got on make me feel like I'm the man, but I can't wait to put you on. We could kick it with this 4-course meal and this nice red wine. Don't hold it all inside. You are my number one.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Where your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Where your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Yeah, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Where your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Yeah, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Where your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why
inside?
would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Say, why
inside?
would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why would you
inside?
look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Is a space that creates your horizon.
For your mind is a space that creates the horizon.
Your mind is a space that creates your horizon.
For your mind is a space that creates the horizon.
Say, why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why
inside?
would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Say, why
inside?
would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why would
inside?
you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
You know, you can feel it when you look inside. You know, you can feel it. It's no surprise. Say, why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why
inside?
would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Say, why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why
inside?
would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside? Inside, all of the world inside.
They say love is free, but it's more than you can see. It's a song, it's a melody, it's the beat of you and me. It drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue, I would draw ever nearer to you, to feel the dew on your skin. That is how it would begin. For summer